Welcome back to English World Spoken and Written English. Today's topics: clear concept about English figure of tense, class 5. So first of all, we shall try to define about tense change. Okay, tense. The term tense is derived from the Latin word tempus, which indicates time. Tense is formed with three kinds of verbs. These are as follows: the do verb, be verb, and have verb. Now we shall try to divide tense. Tense, basically there are three types of tense. Okay, present tense, past tense, and last future tense. Each and every tense has 4 subtypes. So look at the above. Present indefinite, next continuous, 3 perfect, and 4 perfect continuous. So present, past, and future. We can tell present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. The total types of tense are 12. Okay, so we shall try to memorize the tense chart. So look at the following chart of English figure of tense. Okay. So to speak English fluently before the audience or other people, you must memorize this chart. Look at the chart. English figure of tense, active voice and passive voice. First, we shall discuss about active voice, and in class, in part 6, we shall discuss about 24, that is passive voice. Okay, so tense serially I have shown you. Tense: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Next, active voice. So we have to memorize this chart horizontally. Okay, within 20 seconds. Do take, does takes, am is are taken, am is are taking, am is are being taken, have has taken, have has been taken, have has been taking, have has been being taken, did took, was are taken, was are taking, was are being taken, had taken, had been taken, had been taking, had been being taken, shall will take, shall will be taken, shall will be taking, shall will be being taken, shall will have taken, shall will have been taken, shall have been taking, shall have been being taken. Okay, so at the time of making 4, 20, at the time of making 12, 24, 48, 96, we must memorize this chart. Okay, so at this moment, I shall show you. So okay guys, so at this moment we shall learn how to make 12 in easy way. Okay, so V1, V2, V3, take, took, taken. having ing, taking. So this will be 6 place, this will be in 2 place, this will be only 1 place, and this will be 3 place. So 3, 1, 2 and 6, 12 tense. Okay, so at this moment we shall form 12 form by using the following verb: take, took, taken. Present indefinite, I do take. Okay. Present continuous, I am taking. Present perfect, I have taken. Present perfect continuous, I have been taking. Past indefinite, I did, took. Present past continuous, I was taking. Past perfect, I had taken. Past perfect continuous, I had been taking. Next, future indefinite, I shall take. Future continuous, I shall be taking. Future perfect, I shall have taken. Future perfect continuous, I shall have been. I shall have been taking. Okay, learners. Do, here, do, does, did will remain understood or silent in the sentences. But first time we use do, did for better understanding. Okay. So after learning correctly and after getting the full concept about 12, 24, 48, 96, we shall leave do, did and does. Okay. So I do take, I am taking, I have taken, I have been taking. I did took, I was taking, I had taken, I had been taking. I shall take, I shall be taking, I shall have taken, I shall have been taking. Okay, so we, if we use and if we apply we do take, we are taking, we have taken, we have been taking, we did took, we were taking, we had taken, we had been taking. We shall take, we shall be taking, we shall have taken, we shall have been taking. If we use you do take, you are taking, you have taken, you have been taking, you did took, you were taking, you had taken, you had been taking. You will take, you will be taking, you will have taken, you will have been taking. Okay, third person singular number, he, she, the boy. Does will be, I have already told you in case of third person singular number, does will be. Okay, he, she, the, it. In case of third person singular number, he does takes, he is taking, he has taken, he has been taking, he did took, he was taking, he had taken, he had been taking, he will take, he will be taking, he will have taken, he will have been taking. Okay, next she, family she does take, she is taking, she has taken, she has been taking, she had, she did took, she was taking, she had taken, she had been taking. Okay, in case of the boy does takes, the boy is taking, the boy has taken, the boy has been taking, the boy did took, the boy was taking, the boy had taken, the boy had been taking, the boy will take, the boy will be taking, the boy will have taken, the boy will have been taking. In case of they or plural numbers, you have to use likely They do take. They are taking, they have taken, they have been taking. They did took, they were taking, they had taken, they had been taking. They will take, they will be taking, they will have taken, they will have been taking. So, samely, by following the chart of English figure of tens, you can able to make 12, and after completing this, we shall show you 24 of passive voice. Okay, so here I have exemplified take, took, takens. So you can also make 12 by using another verb. Play, played, played, go, went, gone, come, came, come. Okay, so first time you have to understand, first time you have to careful that how to use ing taking, take, to, took, one place, taken, three place. Okay, so the easiest methods to 12, 24, 48, 96, we shall follow the regular classes. Okay, and today's class basically about 12 form, and in part 6 we shall discuss 24, and part 7 we shall discuss about 48 or 96 respectively. Finally, I remind you again, my respectable and admirable learners, students and viewers are kindly requested to subscribe, like, comment, share, and you are also requested to be joined with my YouTube channel to get regular classes for making good videos about spoken and written English. You will never to subscribe my channel. Okay, let's finish the class. Thank you so much for watching this video, part 5, English to English representations. Thank you so much, everybody.